Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today and Merry Christmas. This is Christmas morning and I am going to make some pancakes here. I already have the pan ready with the butter, so now I am going to mix the pancake mix and also update you on the Santa's duplex. I am revealing it today. So later on, you will see a post video on Santa's duplex, which I've been working on, and you're going to really love it. And I'm also going to do the tour of the first floor of my house, and so those two are gonna go up today. So here's my egg and batter. I'm making pancakes for my hubby. He's upstairs getting ready right now. So I don't know what you're doing for Christmas. We're really not doing much. You know, we're here at home and we're not having visitors for Christmas, but for New Year's Eve, that entire weekend, I'm gonna have my brother over and my nephews, you know. But for Christmas today, Christmas Eve, we're really not having anybody, so it's just gonna be us two here. I like my batter not to be too thick and not too thin. I'm also going to add some oil to this. It's a little lumpy still, but let me get that oil. So I hope that you guys are all going to have a beautiful Christmas. It's been so cold, and yesterday's storm, I mean, I'm surprised. I have a lot of trees, and I'm surprised that I hardly saw, I think I saw one branch, that's all. I'm surprised no trees fell, but I heard in the news that there was this huge tree that fell into a house. You know, and I have had fallen trees around my house, like the Sandy storm a few years ago. That happened here too. Okay, so here's my batter, and we're going over to the pan now. Okay. Pan is ready to receive the pancake mix. So I have a big pan here, so this one's gonna make at least 6 or even more, maybe. They're not huge, but they're not small either. So okay, so this made me 7 pancakes. Well, there's more here. There's like another pancake in that batter, but the pan is holding 7 pancakes. So we'll just wait a little bit. While we wait for that, maybe I should give you half a tour or maybe a little tour. Why don't we just look at some things, okay? There are some cups there. Look at these beautiful cups. Actually, this one belonged to my parents. This one and that one right there. Look at how beautiful. This one I've had for a long time. But I don't use it. I put it away for Christmas. I mean for the year. So that's why they're not, you could tell it's in mint condition. Look at the beautiful Christmas design. And then this one, like I said, used to belong to my parents also. So the pancakes are going good so far. So out here, you can see just the dust of snow. Only a little bit. We really didn't, most of it was rain. And there was a lot of flooding in the different areas of the city. So this is my window, my kitchen window. I have some bowls there, and later on I'll be giving you the full tour. Let's check those pancakes. I hear them sizzling a little bit. You know what I like to do? Even though I did already, put butter in there, but I like to add more as they're sizzling. Like on the sides here, and let it just fall right through. Oh, hubby's up. I can hear him. Good morning, hubby. Oh, he doesn't hear me. Oh, he's still upstairs. I thought he was coming down. So you see, I like that. I like the sizzling. Some people like them crispy. I don't like them too crispy. Okay, so they just need a little bit more. I'm not going to turn them yet. Then they'll break. So what else? So we have the window here, right? Oh, there he goes. Good morning.
Good morning.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You want to turn on the tree so it could come out in the video? I can't really see you because it's dark in the living room. So I mean, right now I'm filming towards that way, but I can't see anything. It's so dark in that area. Now I can zoom in and YouTube viewers can see the tree at least from here. So that's the tree, guys. So my hubby just got up and he is sitting in his recliner now with the TV on, and I'm making the pancakes. So why don't we check the pancakes again? Okay, I think now I can start turning them. Okay. Look at how nice they look. I have to separate them here. These still have a little bit to go. I'm going to add more butter to the pancakes. Like I said, I like to add butter as I'm making them. So I can hear hubby right now. He is making coffee. So he usually makes his own coffee because, you know, he has his own way of making it. I make the pancakes here. Look at this. Yummy. And I have some orange juice that I have to take out. Hubby, you're not gonna believe this, but I was looking for yesterday's eggs. You know those eggs that I bought yesterday? Where did you put them somewhere? I looked in the car, they're not there. So for the pancakes, I used eggs that we already had, but I'm looking for that dozen of eggs. Like, where did I put it? If you check in the refrigerator, they're not there. I don't know, maybe unconsciously I put them in somewhere, but I'm been checking the cabinets and I don't find a dozen of eggs that disappeared that I bought yesterday, and I don't find them. I think unconsciously I might have put them. Doesn't that ever happen to you guys, that, you know, you go grocery shopping and you take everything out of the bags and something that's supposed to be refrigerated ends up somewhere else? So that happened to me with that dozen of eggs, and I have to look for it because I didn't find it this morning. Lucky I had the eggs prior to me buying them yesterday. So anyway, so this is what these pancakes look like. My hubby's making the coffee there, and that's gonna be our morning. I hope that you have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, enjoy yourself, and stay safe. Okay, thanks for watching.